So let's talk about the interior gold detail package. Obviously, it's for people who are focused on the interior. This is one of our most commonly sold packages, being that a lot of people spend quite a bit of time on the interior of their vehicle. So how we spend that time can be different for everyone because everybody's using their vehicles for numerous reasons. So where should we start? First off, humans create little offsprings called kids. And these creatures are just terrible to your vehicle. And they leave behind all types of things like goldfish, cookies, and crackers. The crumbs just fall down all in between the seats. They have toys and Barbies and Legos like falling down in the tracks of the seat, preventing the seat from moving back and forth. And they have all types of sticky stuff like juice stains and gummy candies and crayons. And everybody knows slime is really popular right now. Well, it melts down and sticks to all types of surfaces inside the vehicle. And then these little creatures grow up. And then they start to play sports. And you become a soccer mom. Now they're tracking in clay, dirt, grass, and mud all in your carpets. Now I hope y'all didn't think we were just going to stop with kids. We cannot forget about a man's best friend, animals. You got dogs, cats, snakes, rabbits, bears, goats, pigs, Tiger King. Okay, so yeah, maybe we got a little carried away, but we had to have a little fun with that. But seriously, pets do leave behind urine, pet hair, pet odor, drool running down your door panels, and they get a lot of smudges all over the windows from their nose while they're trying to look out of that glass. Okay, I think y'all get the point about how and why your vehicle can get so dirty in the interior. But let's talk about what this package includes. We're going to shampoo your carpets, your seats, your headliner, your dash, your console, your cup holders, your door panel pockets, the tracks under your seat. We're going to even shampoo your trunk and your spare tire compartment. So basically, your whole interior will be cleaned of any type of contaminants and dressed to protect it from UV rays. So this package is for people who are focused on the interior, but we only offer full details here at Xtreme Detailing. So we're still gonna wash and put a 3-month hand wax on your exterior just to protect that paint from the UV rays, because your paint always needs to be conditioned as well. But as I always say, the choice is yours. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. We don't sell our customers, we educate them. The education will sell itself. But either way, if you want it to be clean, take it to the extreme.